Hi, my name is Thomas, and in today's video we'll check out who are the winners of my recent giveaway. Stay tuned and check out the video. To everybody that took part in my giveaway, thank you so much for participating, and I wish you good luck, as you could be one of the winners of some really awesome prizes. I was able to do the giveaway thanks to the support of two fantastic companies, Evolution Power Tools, that is based in the UK, and obviously ResinPro, that funded the resin pack prizes. But that's enough of talking. Let's actually see who won the prizes. And to do that, we're just gonna jump onto my PC. I'm gonna show you the screen. It took me a while actually to get all the comments sorted in the right order in my Excel sheet, and I'm gonna be using a website called random.org to choose the winners. So let's have a look. Okay, so the first prize we're going to be looking at is the Evolution table saw. Just a quick reminder, if you win it, you have to come to my house to actually collect it. I live in Rugby. So we've got 81 participants in this part of the giveaway. As you can see there, all the names are there. And one winner. Let's have a look who it may be. So we're going to the random.org. We're going to generate one random number. So let's input the range. Obviously the minimum is 1 and then the maximum is 81. Let's generate a random number. 51. Right then, let's have a look who is the lucky winner. 51, 51. Who's under 51? Little Shed Workshop. Congratulations, your workshop is just got bigger by one table saw from Evolution. Right then, Little Shed Workshop, let's check it out. If there's actually a channel behind there. And yes, we've got a YouTube channel as well. So 36 subscribers. Well, now dear sir, you've got 37. And don't forget, press that bell notification button. Guys, if you haven't done that for my channel, I do encourage you to actually, when you subscribe, just press that bell notification and change it to all. So you will always be notified when I post a video, because YouTube is not very good on letting you know when I post a video. So I would appreciate if you actually done that for my channel as well. But yeah, go and subscribe to Little Shed Workshop as well. Second prize, the ResinPro. Okay, so we've got 3 sets of prizes, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3. So let's have a look how many people we've got that took part in this giveaway. We've got 54 people that put the hashtag ResinPro. Again, let's go to random.org. Let's change the range from 1 to 54. And let's see who is the first lucky winner. And it's number 5. So who's hiding on the number 5? Strawbyte Workshop. Congratulations. I hope I pronounced that right. If I didn't, let me know in the comments. So that's the first prize. First set of prizes from ResinPro. Next. 27. Actually, that's my lucky number, guys. 27. That is my lucky number. But let's have a look who is under 27. Matt Bourne. Congratulations. You have won a second set of prizes from ResinPro. Matt Bourne. Fantastic. Well done. And the third set of prizes goes to number 42. Right, let's check who's under 42. Keith Maynard. Congratulations, mate. You have won a prize from ResinPro. Keith Maynard. Fantastic. Well done, mate. So we've got Strawbyte Workshop, let's check out. There's a channel, and of course I know there is a channel behind that name because I'm already subscribed to it and I do watch it on regular basis. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, guys, I do recommend it. Have a look, check it out. There's some fantastic videos there, definitely worth watching. Really cool channel. As you can see, there's lots of fantastic videos. But one thing I forgot to do for this channel is to press that bell notification button. Yeah, let's change it to all. Next, we've got Matt Bourne. Is there a channel behind there? No, it's just a private person. Matt Bourne, well done, congratulations. And Keith Maynard, let's have a look if there's a channel there. No, it's just a private person as well. So congratulations, Keith, you won yourself a prize. And the final prize is a voucher for Amazon worth of $30. Let's have a look how many participants we had. 27. So let's go back to random.org from 1 to 27 and let's generate a lucky number, which is 11. Let's have a look who's hiding under 11. Black Cat 2, congratulations. You are the winner of a voucher worth of $30 from Amazon. Congratulations. Let's have a look if there's a channel behind there. Yes, there is a channel. As you can see, I think the name speaks for itself. It's a channel about cats. But why not? I shall subscribe and press that bell notification as well. Why not? Maybe there are some funny videos there. So then, guys, congratulations to you all. Well done. Thank you again for participating in my giveaway. And obviously the most important thing, please get in touch with me because I actually don't have a way of contacting you. So the best way is just drop me an email. It's casualdiy@gmail.com. But also that my email is down below in the description of this video. So the guys that won the prizes from ResinPro, please drop me your full mailing addresses by email and I will organize that with ResinPro so you can get your prizes. Black Cat 2, if you could drop me an email with your email address because I need to arrange a Amazon voucher for you as well. And obviously the Evolution table saw, get in touch because I will give you my address so you can collect this bad boy. So I can't wait to actually meet up. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to do even a grander giveaway in the future where my subscriber counts will go even higher, and I do hope that will happen, and I hope that my content will speak for itself. But for now, guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being with me all this time. It really means a lot. Your time is ever so precious to me. So thanks again, and I hope to see you on my next woodworking adventure. Till then, take care.